No.
Auburn Municipal Airport automated advisory. Wind 340 at 7 knots with gusts to 11. Temperature 21 Celsius. 2.13 Celsius. Altimeter 2994.
Okay, we're going to be doing a tour of downtown Seattle. We're going to fly by the Space Needle and then fly by the whole city. To do this without talking to ATC and not pissing off ATC, being out of their airspace, I've planned a bunch of waypoints. Probably one of the most waypoints I've programmed into one of these things. But you can see which waypoints I have in here. Look at how many there are. A lot. And then after we do our tour, we're gonna then fly off to Friday Harbor Airport. Okay, so ground check, brake hold, that's me, flight control, speed correct, that's up, that's down.
Auburn traffic, Cessna 80117, turning left cross.
Auburn traffic, Twin Cessna 799 Victor Delta, getting on runway 34. We're going to hold for the taking off traffic. Alright, we're going to go. Okay, so we have good RPMs, good fuel flows, good manifold pressure. In the green, I've got the taking off traffic now. Airspeed is live. There's 90, pulling back.
Auburn traffic, champ 3446, left base 34, full stop, Auburn.
Positive ready to climb. Here, come up.
You're gonna catch up to this guy real soon.
Yeah.
Traffic, Auburn. Auburn traffic, Cessna 79 Delta, right crosswind departing to the east. Auburn traffic.
Oh, good, right crosswind, perfect. Outstanding. That's exactly what we wanted. Auburn traffic, Twin Cessna 799 Victor Delta, left downwind departure, turning on left crosswind. Auburn traffic.
Auburn traffic, Cessna 180, left base 34, Auburn.
Now, where was the one that turned this way?
It's fine, we're leaving the pattern.
Traffic Cessna 180, final 34, touch and go, Auburn.
Auburn traffic, Twin Cessna 799 Victor Delta, left downwind departure from runway 34, Auburn traffic.
Is 2 miles north of the airport at 3,200 feet, departing the area to the northeast.
There we are, cruising altitude. Yeah, it might be a little bumpy because of those gusts. So I don't know. We'll have to see how it goes.
That Tacoma off our wing?
That
Or is that SeaTac?
is, I'll let you know. Off, I guess, yeah, that's Seattle, Tacoma.
Okay.
But
yeah, that's Seattle Airport.
Oh wait, that is what SeaTac is.
Yeah,
I thought they were
stands for
different.
SeaTac.
SeaTac
No,
Seattle Tacoma. I thought they were separate.
Yeah, I said it and then I was like, wait, what? Oh yeah, SeaTac, Seattle and Tacoma. Because Tacoma is just south what we just turned over. And then Seattle is just north, so
Right.
they like mixed it up.
Guys, these are big jets flying out of there too.
Yep. So obviously you can see Seattle out in front of us. Oh, with Mount Rainier poking its nose out there, so that's cool. right now we're going pretty slow, so we can actually have a good scenic flight instead of like hauling ass. So we have the manifold pressure set kind of low at 20.5-ish, and the RPM set for 2200. Fuel flow is still my same 10 gallons per hour. So I think we're probably just being a little fuel inefficient. But considering the fact that we didn't have to climb very high, we're only flying at 1,800 feet.
We're going to test approved. 64 Charlie, talk to you in a bit.
And then we're going to descend to 1,500 feet as soon as we get to see that point out there, Kyla. You can look at that point, see the point of
the close point or the far point?
Yeah, so just follow the shore and the point, it points out that way.
We have traffic below us.
Okay, that's fine. I see it. Thank
Hopefully
you.
they're not climbing.
Yeah, they're 100. Really? That's only 100 feet?
94 Foxtrot, schedule first radio check.
That's a helicopter. Anyways, that point of blank, as soon as we cross that, we're going to descend to 1,500 feet.
Okay.
All right, so we're going to descend to 1,500 feet now.
Maintain 10, 10,000, Husky 391.
Yesterday when we were at the Space Needle, they were saying that that black building is like a Space Needle and a half. It was like taller.
Yeah, that black.
And it didn't, from where we were on the Space Needle, I was like, really? Okay.
It looked like
but
that.
now you really can see that it is actually taller than the Space Needle.
Right now we're coming into this, we're right in the Puget Sound, but we're going to be coming right into the what looks to be the bay of Seattle here. You've got both the stadiums there, one for the Seahawks and one for the Mariners, I think.
Traffic, 12 o'clock.
Got it, thank you. Oh, what is that airplane doing that low?
That's like a jet. Maybe it's landing.
It could be there. That's 1,800 feet. All right, well, just cruising here. We're looking to our left. I'm at 1,500 feet. The airspace over here is down to 1,800 feet. That guy's pretty low. Wow, look at that. That is quite the scene. Guys, look out the window. Look at that. There's the Space Needle, guys. We're at 1,500 feet and we're on course, so.
There's more traffic, 12 o'clock, 11 o'clock. Low.
Low, all right.
These over the water there.
All right, we're turning. This is it.
DC-15, just wanted to verify same climb out instructions, runway heading to 3,000 on the go. Runway heading up to 3,000.
Bended a little bit there, didn't like that, but okay.
Husky 91, have you?
Getting back to our altitude.
Affirmative for Husky 91.
And that was our very, very quick tour of downtown Seattle. Now we're heading out of the airspace. We could climb to 3,000 if we wanted to, so let's go ahead and do that. So I'm going to set my propellers. 2,300 now. On the left.
Is that gonna help us out or no?
Yeah, make it just go faster. Get out of here. Before they can send the fighter jets after us. Blue Angels. Fleet Week. Just in case somebody watching this video wants to know.
So can we see where we're going? Where are we going?
No.
You can't see the island?
Yeah, it's,
13,
we gotta do a whole bunch of stuff to get out there.
Yeah, it would be pretty cool to have like a float plane out here where like you wouldn't have to worry about like, well, if something happens, you could just turn into a boat.
I 61 settle for traffic.
Is that an airport to our right?
We are navigating to an airport off to our left.
A bunch of green things. Looks a little airporty.
That's Painfield.
Question. Can I ask a question?
Go ahead.
If we were to land in a mud flat or somewhere, you know, like, but we're okay, but that was like, or like a beach or something that we like had to land on.
Okay.
How exactly did they get the plane out of there?
Oh, they junked it. I mean, oh, so the plane is salvageable?
It's salvageable, but probably not going to be able to fly out.
All right, well, then either take the wings off and you just determine how much money it's going to cost, otherwise you just junk it.
You junk it?
Throw it away.
Oh.
For national security reasons, avoid flights below 29,000 or 2,900 feet MSL in this area. Okay. 45. Should be good.
You can't fly high? Is that what they said?
No, 2,900. Can't fly low.
Ah.
For national security reasons. I don't know what national security reasons, but okay. Oh, I know.
Close to the border?
This is a military base right here.
Ah.
This is Whidbey Island, Nass. I guess that's Whidbey. I don't know what military base that is, but it's Whidbey. What it's called. It's pretty cool out there, huh? So that island off to our left is it doesn't specifically say, but below us, or just called Port Susan. Wow, look at that. Look at how clear that is. You should bust out your good camera. Take a picture of that. That's crazy. Mount Baker. Mount Baker. Mount Baker.
Mount Baker is frosted.
10,800. Say Mount Baker's frosty?
Yeah, that's what I said.
Nice. It's frosty. Alright, so now we're going to fly over Orca Island. We're 23 nautical miles from Orca Island. So we'll get a taste of what the weather's looking like and the island.
So that one's actually closer?
Yeah, it is. We're going to fly over Orca Island.
Which one's Orca?
The one off in the distance.
Okay.
The island that we're probably looking at might be called, no, that's not Blake. Cypress Island. I think that, no, that island over there is probably Cyprus, maybe. It's crazy out here. It's like New Zealand.
So pretty.
So pretty? Yeah. And hopefully we can stay at 45, which means the weather is good. The clouds look like we're about their level, so we may have to descend a little bit. Wow, this is crazy. Look at this. This is just imagine like you had a boat.
Well, I think lots of people do is they take a boat out here, but I mean we got a plane, so.
Yeah, we'll be able to see it much more rapidly, but they can park their boat, off the coast of one of these islands, and then just take like a dinghy in, and then go exploring. Hey guys, maybe there's some pirate treasure out there. Off to our left, there looks like there's a little airport called Anacortes Airport down off to our left there. Wow, look at this. Very cool.
Is that a little runway on whatever that is?
It does look like a little runway.
Just good to have options, right?
Yeah, that is definitely a backup. Now that is not officially marked on the chart.
Could be a road, could be a road.
No, that's definitely a runway. And it's probably private, for farming or whatever. I mean, there appears to be something down there. But it's okay, there's an airport just off to over our left wing over here. That was that Anna something island.
All right.
Anacortes. And we are in the Strait of Georgia, if you're wondering. Or at least that's what the Garmin GI 275 said. It's nice to have these things because you can see the little extra detail, and also you have the synthetic terrain. Wow, that is quite amazing. This is awesome. This is why I wanted to do this trip, for this very reason. Feel a little bit more comfortable with two engines. In case we lose an engine, we should be fine. Nothing here is above our single engine max altitude, so should be good. So this is Orca Island, and so theoretically we could climb to this peak somehow.
Do you think our kids want to do that?
I don't know, probably not.
We were just trying to see whales.
I see, yeah.
So take us to where we can see whales.
So I think Friday Harbor is somewhere diagonally off to our left. Because we're going to come down this point.
How high is that peak? Are we okay?
Yeah, that peak is at 2,000, I was just looking at it, 2,770 feet,
okay.
we're at 4,000.
We're 4 or 5.
Yeah, so we're plenty fine. But we're going to make a turn to the left, southwest of here, just a moment. So Orcas Island Airport is conveniently located on the other side of the mountain. When we do go out to Orcas Island, we should probably aim to fly north for a landing in there, and it should be flat. So flying directly over the peak is not what we want to do when we come in for landing. And those islands that look like a hand over there off to the right is the Susha Islands.
The what islands?
The Susha Islands look like a little...
Sushi?
Yeah, sushi.
Sushi or susha?
Susha. S-U-I-A.
Susia. Dirty. It's dirty. Susia. Dirty islands.
Dirty island. Well, I guess because they're super low, close to the water, so maybe it gets all muddy and gross out there. So there's Orca's airport, Orca Island Airport, a line going right there. That's why I was saying either go fly north or you fly south through the... Oh man, that'd be super cool flying through that bay down there.
Oh yeah, there's another plane or the same one we saw before flying in the canal, probably going into that airport.
Yeah, probably. Oh, there he is. Yeah, he's probably going into the airport. So the weather turned out quite nicely. Much better than predicted, so that's good, knock on wood.
Friday Harbor Airport, Friday Harbor, Washington. Automated weather observation 2131 Zulu. Wind 130 at 11. Visibility 10. Sky condition few 1,800. Temperature 19 Celsius. Dew point 13 Celsius. Altimeter 2992. Remarks. Density altitude 600.
And Friday Harbor traffic, Twin Cessna 799 Victor Delta, north of the airport, about 8 miles for 16. Alright, flaps. Low 160 here. Full flaps
Tower
in.
traffic, San Juan 3 miles south of Cattle Point, 2800 descending. I'll be entering a right downwind for 16 Friday Harbor. Good wind down there.
Gas on full tank. 100 carriages down, one in the mirror. Up. Up.
Works south
Mixtures
traffic,
two.
Lima Charlie
Props
is 6
full.
miles south.
Friday Harbor, Kenmore Caravan, right base, runway 16, Friday Harbor.
Eastbound traffic, track 78711, 4 miles to the south, or we'll be entering a left downwind from runway 16 eastbound.
Friday Harbor traffic, Twin Cessna 799 Victor Delta, approximately 6 miles north of the airport for straight in on runway 16, Friday Harbor traffic.
Friday Harbor traffic, Kenmore Caravans, a high school final at Friday.
Friday Harbor traffic, this is Twin Cessna 799 Victor Delta, 3.5 miles straight in on runway 16, Friday Harbor traffic.
Works south traffic, service Lima Charlie, turning left base for 16, number 2, Works south.
I don't see anybody else. Laps are full.
Works south traffic, Cirrus 3 to Lima Charlie is turning final for 16, long final.
Friday Harbor traffic, Twin Cessna 799 Victor Delta, 2 mile final for runway 16, Friday Harbor traffic. I'll just keep announcing it.
Yeah.
Friday Harbor traffic, Twin Cessna 799 Victor Delta, 1 mile final for runway 16, Friday Harbor traffic.
Other traffic out of 25 Sierra is Lopez Ferry Terminal 500. We're going to plan a south landing, Rosario Water.
Friday Harbor traffic, San Juan 3 turning a 2 mile final runway 16, Friday Harbor.
Used a lot of runway, but that was nice and soft.